It's funny, you do your hair and your nails lovely. Sexy, your body, I want to stitch it up. See your loving. Sexy, sexy, you're sexy. Sexy, sexy, yeah, you're sexy. Beautiful, very good, man.
Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Rochelle. So as you all see by the title down below, yeah, I'll be doing an unboxing video. So I know the last time I told you guys that I got some things for the baby, but you know, me never shown or nothing. So me get some things for the baby as well as some things for Chloe, same way. So you know, me I go show you know everything when me get and stuff so far, cause me know say enough I probably feel like me not get nothing as yet. You know, say everybody different. Enough people wait till them like far up in them like pregnancy before them start like you know buy things, get at things, or prepare for baby. Enough people as soon as them find out that them pregnant, you know, them just start buy up little or whatever. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you what me get. So you all know the usual routine. Please remember to leave a like on the video, spam in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. Also remember to follow me on Instagram at @Resh_Shella. Follow me on TikTok at Resh_Shella, and please remember to watch the ads. Yeah, so if you don't want to support me, please watch the ads for me, okay? Yeah, and the link for the baby registry is gonna be in the description, as what I will tell you in every video. So the link is gonna be in the description, as well as it's going to be pinned in the comment section. So if it's a case where you want to purchase anything on behalf of the baby, then you can just click on the baby registry link, and you know, you can check out and see what I'm gonna be needing. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright people, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing video and show you what me get. So I'm gonna put the things on the bed so you can see them, because put them in the bag right now. Only can hardly go see one in this here, so I'm gonna just take out everything and put them on the bed, then I get back to it. Alright people, so I'm gonna just start from the top and come straight down. Alright, so the blanket right here, so this is not for the baby, this is for Chloe, okay? Yes, so as you can see, some panties right here, so for Chloe, and some more right here, so panty for days. Right, so I got this little thing where I put around her hair. Me get this online for when I wash her hair. And our grandmother buy her these cute little bed slippers. I'm in love with them. I would rock one of these. It's just a pity my foot can't fit in there, but so I go. So the little night here go with the unicorn bed slippers, as you can see, and so they could tight them. Hot sexy girl ties, and I can't chat to my daughter, right? Yes, so the outfit here me get online for Chloe, but the strap them too long, so I have to go probably adjust the strap them for her. This mini boss skirt set, which I am in love with. It's just a pity say
baby. This is like a dog baby, and this is the big dog Fimi. Love the baby, guys. So the little dog fee baby and the big dog fee me.
Alright, cool. So the back here, our grandmother get it for her. Me get this online. I think this is for like potato, for scrape potato, so I don't know how good them is. Them are plastic people, but just order them online.
Little dog fee baby.
So Chloe get her glass here, so our grandmother buy for her. I don't know, hot girl as I must say. I like a yellow nightie right here. This cute, what would I call this, rainbow color outfit. Excuse me, let me show them. Yeah, so that dress, and as you can see, Chloe like a hot girl bag. So me get two of them ducks something here. Me get this here, where you know Chloe can play with in the bath. Even though I want to put it down. Chloe, why you pull this up? You know, you tell yourself you baby.
Wait. What?
You know, for when Chloe after this we pull and see she finally pulling. Anyway, so me get these online for Chloe. as well. And make a clip here. Our grandmother get them bubbles here for she can wear go out. Our little cute cat glass. The outfit here. And this other dress for Chloe.
Yes. The flowers dress for me and the butterfly dress for me.
Them top here after Chloe. Wanna see right here, so them basket here now, one for me, one for my mother, one for Chloe, and one for the baby, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So right here, people, we have some breast pad for me buy online, because I know I'm gonna need breast pad, so yeah, we get them there. I think it's 30 of them supposed to come in the box of my order. I don't know, now come out and I have to take certain things out of the box anyway. My hot girl perfume, go. I know them really. See the girl foot up in the ear. Oh yeah, people. Look at my little spray. And it smells sweet. I'm not lie. It smells sweet.
Yes, it smells
Alright, so I get a soap dish. Like a fancy soap dish, something I missed online. So people know for the baby, them put in the maternity book, them are gonna need cotton swabs. So because the cotton swab when we did like one would I get like in a bag, because them there, like when I use them to clean off the baby navel, it like leave the fur. So me get these online. Me see them here online and me say, you know, I'm gonna just buy them here. Them here little and fine. They fine bad. As you can see for yourself. Me never expect them here for so small. But yeah, them small, but I think they'll do the job. So right here you can see baby socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. 5 pair of socks for the baby. 3 pair of mitten. You get that baby comb here online. Yeah, I don't know the gender of the baby, you know, people, so I just buy some, you know, some mutual color things, because I don't know the gender of the baby as yet. Okay, so right here, them here, want to see right here, so it's newborn baby clothes right here. Yeah, so I know mutual colors. I order them rag here online. Honestly, me think them rag here would like thicker, but them thin, them very thin. But I like the color. I never that expect to get 4. I order 2 rag and I surprised me end up get 4. So this is one baby clothes, 3 to 6 months. So as I said, guys, I don't know the gender of the baby, so if you want to see any pink or whatever, I don't know the gender. Okay, so baby socks right here, as you can see, 10 pack. I see that something here online is like a fruit thing. I think when the baby is 6 months, you can put like a peg of orange inside like up here. So let me show you now. So you can put like a peg of orange like up here, so, and then you close it, and then you would open this part, and you know, just make the baby chew and that, and get the juice out of it. So I see it, I'm like that. Anyway, baby rugs. My mother buy this cute blanket for the baby. I'm in love with it. So as you can see, the baby get a teddy bear that goes with it, and the little rattling shake nonsense in them. So yeah, so them here now, so them white pin under here are 9 months, and them here, these are 3 to 6. These are 3 to 6 months. So them here are 3 to 6 months, and as I said, neutral colors. So baby hats right here. Yeah, them here are the baby hat, and them here are the dribble of them for the baby same way. So my mother get me 2 of them here to put the wipes in. I don't know when I travel, I can just take out the wipes them and put them in this here. Yeah, so I get 2 of them here from my mom. And receivers, so I don't know receiver needed And my mother get me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pair receiver. So yes, this is it. And I ordered them here. I ordered the romper here for myself. And people, it's like really huge. The romper big. And funny enough, you know, so through me pregnant, the romper tight palm you go up. You know, lie. The romper tight, the romper squeeze out my life. I'm gonna reach no weight. So yeah, my mom got me these as well. So the mirror house dress, so you know, I'm gonna bring go hospital. And I probably get 2 more. I'm not gonna buy no 90. So yeah. So the gray one here. This pink. And this other pink. And yeah, I have a sweater where I'm gonna bring to see me at the hospital. So but that's a show no what me have so far. Yeah. That's a show no what I have so far. As you can see, the bed is basically packed. So Chloe have new clothes, the baby have clothes. And guys, me have to go wash out everything I wanna see right here. So for the baby when we have to bring to the hospital. Even if me not go bring them to the hospital, I'll go wash them. I am going to wash them. So me just show you what and what. Me get to Chloe finally pull up the ducks with me.
So the big dog for me and little dogs them for the baby. Little dog for the baby, guys, and big dog for me.
Alright people, so yeah. So my mother get me 2 bed slippers as well. So this one and this. I'm not sure which one of them I go bring to the hospital as yet, because them say if we bring a bed slippers for bed, and then we are going to bring a rubber slippers for, you know, in the shower. So 2 of them. I don't know. I just feel like I'm going to go with that one here if we bring to the hospital. So I don't know, I'm going to get the baby bath and other stuffs, and then when I go pack everything. When I go pack up everything and stuff, then I go do a video and show you all what and what I'll be bringing to the hospital, right? Yeah.
Yeah.